Activa RM, or transglutaminase, is an enzyme formulation used to bond raw and cooked meats. It essentially works as glue to hold protein-based ingredients together. If you want the Activa RM to form a solid bond, you must get it into every nook and cranny. Start by rolling and stretching the plastic wrap to form a snug cylinder. Hold both ends twisting in the opposite direction to create a perfect cylinder. As you twist, the cylinder will become shorter and have a larger diameter. It will become very dense. Use butcher twine to tie off. This may require 2 people. Vacuum seal. Refrigerate for a minimum of 24 hours. Yes, the 24 hours are necessary to bind the protein. The cooking time was 3 hours and 10 minutes. The protein was cooked at 148 degrees until it reached the internal temperature of 145 degrees, which took 2 hours and 35 minutes. It was then held at 145 degrees for 35 minutes to pasteurize. The combination of lye water and baking soda is employed to effectively remove the skin. The prescribed ratio is 1 part lye to 1/2 part baking soda. For the current application, using a 10-quart pot, I utilized 1 tablespoon of lye and 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. When the mixture reaches a boil, add the nuts. For example, I used pecans, but walnuts are also great. The mixture is to be simmered for a duration of 20 minutes. For a simple syrup, all you need is 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon, and a pinch of salt. Here are the steps. 1. Add sugar to a bowl. 2. Pour boiling water over the sugar. 3. Add honey and lemon to taste. 4. Pinch of salt. Note, everything is to taste.